Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to remove passcode or change it on iPhone with iOS 26. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to settings. And after that, scroll down a little bit until you find an option called Face ID and Passcode. You have to enter your actual passcode. And after that, you will have here a lot of options that you can use between them. You can change your passcode by clicking on Change Passcode. And here you need to enter your current passcode and after that change it to the new one. Or in some cases, you will not be like able to turn passcode off if the stolen device protection is turned on and Face ID is set up. So if this option is not working of turning passcode off, and I give you an advice to not to turn it off, because if someone stole your device, he will not be able to open it if the Face ID and the passcode are activated on your device. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in